Here's to sleeping in the dirt and mud for weeks on end. To the aching in your spine from the inexorable weight strapped to your back. To the nerves that slowly died atop your shoulders and neck. To cigarettes, Copenhagen, and a strenuous reliance on caffeine. To rat-fucked MREs and field ramen. To good leaders and to bad ones. To throwing rocks, to unrelenting boredom. To the constant longing for even a minute of rest. To proficiency and the sadistic desire to live among the demons of war. To friendships that would last an eternity if given the chance.
Alright, boys.